Just 5 miles from the village, they head into big trouble. Donkeys have been bred to be docile, and they have no instinct of how to escape. No animal has a concept of restraint, predators least of all. These last 45 minutes could be their undoing, and it puts Flip in a really awkward position. He doesn't want the cubs killed, but keeps to his promise to inform the village.
These 2 young lions are very important to your conservancy. But if these lions kill any of your livestock, you know you can shoot them if they cause problems. And it is not for me to say or ask for you not to shoot them. That's your decision. And all I'm saying to you is before people shoot them, if they kill livestock, you've got to think very carefully. Those 2 lions were born here, they are used to this area, and that's very valuable.
The lions have a lucky break. Since the donkeys were living wild, the community decides to be lenient. This time. In the Serengeti, youngsters spend years watching how older lionesses tackle large prey. However, it looks as though these cubs will have to teach themselves through trial and error. They begin the stalk like seasoned hunters, using the scant cover to conceal themselves. And they have to be incredibly quiet. Oryx are spooked by the slightest sound.